So, I was having a discussion with someone actually this afternoon about, um, well, mainly about LLM and ChatGPT and stuff like these, prompt engineering and, these sort of stuff. And this person told me that um, LLM kind of, what example they gave me actually. They said that LLM is a really good tool for people who love pulling libraries, copying snippet from here, copying snippet from there, downloading that library, including it in the project, downloading a new package, trying to learn that project a little bit to make their life easy, and then integrating that project into their code base. So that's what they say. LLM is really good tool. It's very compatible tool for people like this because it kind of fits their mindset. Their mindset is I'm gonna pull this from here, this dependency from here, and I need this package to convert the Word doc to PDF, and I need the other package so that I can modify the styles of the PDF and things like that. People with this sort of mindset that they just want to pull this dependency, and then just have something together quickly. LLM is very compatible for people who think like this. Now, on the other hand, the second category of people, this guy told me that that don't really like LLM too much is the people who love doing things from scratch. They just have this. They don't trust other people's code, and when they copy paste the code from somewhere else, they think they're cheating. So they try to do a lot of stuff themselves. So they have full control over it. They understand every single aspect, every single thing they understand. So these two category of people, the first one are very compatible with how LLM work. These people will use LLM very efficiently. Second block who doesn't trust, they even if they went on Stack Overflow and they try to understand something, um, they found a snippet, they'll look at the snippet like 100 times before they even use it. Even even if they end up using it, they might rewrite their own version, even though the snippet they got from Stack Overflow works completely fine. So this category of people have a hard time using LLM. They don't rely too much on these sort of things. But I think so what this guy showed me as well, actually, he kind of refines his prompts. So he'll ask LLM to do something, and then obviously LLM is gonna make mistake. Then this guy is gonna notice the mistake, and then he'll just have a long prompt. Do not make this mistake. Use camel case for the variables. When you generate the API, um, yeah, sort of just add this dummy data to the post. Um, don't use this library, use that library. So just basic set of requirements when this guy is working with LLM, and he has his own requirements, a list of requirements that LLM needs to follow. And these guys writes the task in LLM and then paste these requirements as well, and then LLM does the job. And it seems like he has got it pretty nicely working. Obviously, that's not to say the guy is not a good programmer and he's relying completely on LLM. That's not true, but the instructions he has put together are they work for him, like they work for him. And when it comes down to repetitive tasks, this guy just miles ahead of other people. It just takes so much quicker for him because he's got these accurate descriptions. So yeah, I would say if you're the type of person who doesn't trust other people's code very easily, who doesn't like to pull libraries, who doesn't like to rely on this package from GitHub or that package from other source, you gotta rethink a little bit, because LLM does speed things up, and when you have deadlines and all that stuff, you do wanna use LLM or ChatGPT, whatever you're using for prototyping and things that LLM can do. Yeah, you'll have to do the thinking, but you can put that thinking into a prompt and then let LLM do the job. That's how I'm using it as well, actually. But yeah, that's all I got for today. Um, yeah, I hope everyone has a good weekend though. I know I haven't made a video in a while, but just when things go all the way south, those sort of days. But yeah, I'm gonna get good rest tomorrow. I'll catch you guys later.